today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the border directions on your Google slide presentation. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Format tab. Again, make sure you select the media or the element you want to adjust here first, and then select the Format tab, then select Borders and Lines, and then select Border Decorations. You can give it a nice fancy rounded join or bevel or miter corner. I mean, there's a whole variety of different things you can explore with here. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.